After performing an oil change on your 2021-2022 Kia K5, it's crucial to reset the oil life indicator. This process recalibrates the vehicle's onboard computer, ensuring accurate monitoring of oil quality and preventing premature alerts. This is typically needed every 7,500 to 10,000 miles or 6 to 12 months. Make sure you have completed an oil change using Kia recommended 0W20 synthetic oil before proceeding. Failure to actually change the oil before resetting can lead to engine damage. The reset doesn't override critical engine warnings. If your oil life reaches 0%, the vehicle might enter limp mode for safety. First, ensure your Kia K5 is parked with the ignition off. Next, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Use the OK button on the steering wheel to access the menu. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, and then to Service Interval or Maintenance. Select Oil Change or Reset Oil Life. Confirm your selection by pressing OK and following any on-screen prompts. This may require holding the OK button for about 5 seconds. Finally, turn the ignition off and then back on to verify the reset. The oil life should now display 100%.